Yellowstone's important because it represents a conservation movement in the United States, and because of the natural landscapes and the wildlife population, it certainly is something that needs to be preserved forever.
I'm really looking forward to seeing this be in operation in the field. And that's really what this idea of going and seeing, or Genji Genbutsu, is really all about, because it helps to put things in context. I share a common set of values with Toyota. So we feel that we have a responsibility to help manage resources. And a lot of those resources are the environment around us. The park is looking to find its way off of fossil fuels. And then we were looking for a way to experiment with what can we do with some of our batteries that no longer have a useful life in cars, but have a lot of life left in them for other needs.
I don't see him. Oh.
They're right here.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they went right across the front.
I don't see him.
I was too busy looking this way.
The Lamar Buffalo Ranch serves as an environmental education campus. It's off the grid, and there was diesel and then propane generators that provided 24/7 power. Noisy, a lot of fuel consumption, and of course pollution.
As one of Toyota's solutions to being able to power our cars by alternative sources, we developed the hybrid battery system. As we looked at what to do with these batteries at the end of their useful life, we saw there was an opportunity. We came out for a visit, and as we visited the site, we realized there's a real need here. But then we started getting really excited because, man, nobody's ever done this. We have 208 of these Camry hybrid batteries that we positioned to be charged by a solar panel array. We're capturing the sun and putting it inside these batteries. Welcome, everybody. I'm pleased to announce that we're about to switch from the generator system to the batteries. The quiet is about to happen. Steve, we're ready.
We have 8 million hybrid vehicles on the road today. At some point in time, those batteries are going to need replacing. So imagine if we can do this with 200 batteries. Over time, what we could do with 8 million batteries. Anywhere in the world that has a need for power that is off the grid could work with this. The opportunities are endless.